Affiliate marketing for beginner. I want to share with you how to promote PromptEarn affiliate marketing effectively. Plus, I will share with you sales and marketing. I want you to be crystal clear that at the end of this video, you should be able to understand at least these basic 3 things. And when you understand it, do well to come to my comment section and thank me later. Okay? I'll be sharing with you specifically how to set the click, which is how you can promote your affiliate marketing business effectively. Secondly, how PromptEarn affiliate marketing works. And lastly, how I generate lead. Okay, without wasting much time, my name is Evis Germany. I teach on skilled affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays you on a weekly basis. Okay, without wasting much time, let me show you something right here. So I believe for you to be here watching me right now, it might be that you're already an affiliate marketer looking for a way that you can make more money to promote your affiliate marketing products and then make sales. Okay, so let me start with that right now before I share with you how I generate lead and then affiliate and PromptEarn affiliate marketing. Okay, now take a look at this. I will read and then you listen and then you see what goes on here. This is a screenshot of PromptEarn affiliate marketing. Okay, this is a screenshot showing something here, 10,000 to 200,000 monthly searches. And then look at this copy here. It says there is hope, and that I have greatly recognized doesn't mean you should. This is how it happened. Yesterday, I got into search for affiliate marketing trend. It jumped on me about PromptEarn, and the reason why is over 100k monthly Google search. That is voluminous, man. It means lots and lots of people actively promoting PromptEarn. Why? A short, concise landing page that takes 90% to work off your shoulders and easily close your prospects. You can see it here, and this is the link of my affiliate marketing sales page, not my affiliate link, sales page. And then I continue. It says, if you have always wanted a side hustle income generator without lodging Facebook groups for prospects as those are mature, then PromptEarn should be the cure. PS, how to erase the noise. Stand tall, your affiliate marketing. Stay tuned. Evis Germany, that is my name. Okay, this is my community group in WhatsApp. I have up to like 20 groups. Okay, so I now put them together in different communities. So when I post once, they should be able to see all of that. Okay, so the best way to promote your affiliate marketing business, first of all, you have to generate lead, and I'll show you how I do my own. Generate a lot of lead. You nurture this lead, okay, and then you can be able to upsell them. Now look at this, is a copy. Whenever you want to write for you, people do not read your content because it is a kind of salesy. People don't like to be sold. So what you need to do is for you to, by nurturing them, sharing with them how your day activity look like, but at the end you can now drop a link of your affiliate sales page, and I'll drop this link in this video description so you can watch and see how this sales page look like. It's very strong, and then they can convert prospect. I already start this program right now as I'm talking to you right now. So let me do a video about it and why I registered it, because of the search volume, and then tutorial, and then about this sales page that help people to make a lot of money in affiliate marketing. With that being said, before I lose you, let me go back to this so they can see the pattern that works in this copywriting aspect here. Okay, there is hope. You write based on what is currently happening, how Nigeria economy is, okay, what people can relate to it. It says, and that I have greatly recognized doesn't mean you should. You don't just tell people what to do. You make the copy unstable. You make, that is called unstable writing. People, you are not directing them, okay, but you are making them think that something is not okay. They need to learn, they need to do something, they need to take action. Okay, all the copy shouldn't be directed them do affiliate marketing. You are broke, you are poor, change your life. No, let them themselves start thinking and then take action and do the needful. Okay, and I says, this is how it happened. Yesterday I got into story. What really happened? To back it up that I already did a search, I put the screenshot here. That's why they say picture speaks more weight, okay? Action speaks more louder than words, as they normally said. But picture communicates more than just telling. They are seeing it visually. I put a screenshot of my research, the monthly value, the monthly volume, or how people are searching PromptEarn, okay? To back it up, and I said, I got into search for affiliate marketing trend. He jumped on me about PromptEarn. And PromptEarn right now in Africa, okay, sorry to say this, at least is number one, because the search volume, a lot of top athletes are massively promoting this affiliate marketing PromptEarn right now. That is why it is skyrocketing, and it makes it easier because a beginner, a newbie, can take advantage of their sales page and how it's being created to make a lot of money, even though you are new, okay? And that is what I'm sharing with you how to do it right now. So once you get those audience to your group, and I'll show you how I get a lot of people in my group and then send them messages like this that they can easily click on, and then they go and register, okay? And they just need to understand this copywriting aspect, how it works, okay? Now yesterday I got into search for affiliate marketing trend. It jumped on me on about PromptEarn, and the reason why is over 100k monthly Google search. It's voluminous, man. It means lot and lot of people actively promoting PromptEarn. Why? And that says a short, concise landing page that takes 90% work off your shoulders and easily close your prospect. And see what happened here. You can see it here. I now drop it here. For me to make it, and I need to talk about this link by stating this. If you have always wanted if you have always wanted a side hustle income, so each of the writing is talking about what I've said previously. To make this link effective so that they can click it effectively, okay, I said something here, all right? This is their pain points. Some affiliate marketers, they go to Facebook and then they start to look for people they're going to pitch for them to buy the affiliate marketing products. They pitch a lot of people over there. So without lodging Facebook, all right, group for prospects as does amateur, then PromptEarn should be the cure. So without you stressing yourself, you will learn how to generate those leads organically, okay, without stressing yourself much. That is just a pardon, okay? And then I say PS, stand tall, how to erase the noise, stand tall, your affiliate marketing, which means it's just like giving them hope, okay? I didn't tell them what to do. So majority of them is gonna click on the link right now, and I'm going to show you shortly how much I'll be able to generate today, courtesy of this a little write-up I just did here, okay? This is how I promote my affiliate marketing offer to my group. So I currently generate a lot of audience and then promote to them. Do you understand? So let me show you how PromptEarn affiliate marketing work. I'll show you my dashboard. I've not made it. I'll just walk you through briefly in it and then share with you how to generate a lot of traffic for yourself, okay? So let me show you right now. Right, so this is PromptEarn affiliate marketing dashboard. This is my own here, and I can see. So I'm in the marketplace. If I click dashboard, okay, as I told you, I just signed up today, and this is my name. If I log in like this, if I click, I put my password like this, okay, I want to log in so you see it. All right, okay. So I just logged in to my dashboard. You can see my name here, Mweki Face Nachi. All right, and this is my dashboard, how it look like as a new beginner today, although I just signed up right now. So if when you go to the marketplace, okay, stick with me before I lose you, pay attention. When you go to the marketplace, then if you scroll down, this is the course here, this course which is called the automated income machine. Do you understand? And then the price is $15, which is 15,000 naira, okay, created by Martins and what Bamidele. Now the sales commission is what 50% commission. If I click on this button right there now to promote, watch, it will take me to this place. Now you have your affiliate link, and then you have this one which is copy video sales page affiliate link. This link are two different links entirely. Now what I paste in my WhatsApp group is this second one. Now let me copy this and show you something. I'll open a new tab, Ctrl V. Let me paste and show you something so you understand it, okay? So this is the one I copy, and after my writing I impute it, and then so my prospect get to click it, and then they're going to watch. Now look at what is happening here. Say attention to anyone who want to make their first million in 2 months. So this one, they call out their desires, what they want to do. This landing page, it's mad, it's crazy, okay? It's very, very catchy. Say review, reviewed. These 3 secret blueprints will make you $500 to $2,000 monthly online without leaving your bedroom. Okay, watch this video. Do you see it? Now this is so catchy. This is the video. If you click on it, you start to listen to the presentation. By the time you go down here, if you click here now, grant me access, instantly it will take your prospect to your affiliate marketing sales link. This become your affiliate link right here. When the prospect register here, instantly you earn your commission, which is what, 50%. Do you understand? So this sales page is a killer sales page. I know what I'm talking about. And it is very hard, it is very rare for you to see an affiliate marketing platform that can be able to create search for anyone. It is very, very hard to see. That is why I like this particular platform called PromptEarn Affiliate Marketing. And a lot of people have taken advantage of this without you stressing yourself. Yours is to generate the lead, the traffic, and then use this framework of writing. I will teach you the framework for writing, all right, which is AIDA formula and Pascal formula, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. AIDA or Pascal formula, which is problem, agitation, solution. And once you write such, you input your words, your sales page link. They will click. After watching the video, they're now going to make purchase and you earn commission. It's simple as that. Okay, that is the framework I use. Okay, so PromptEarn affiliate marketing, very, very effective for anyone starting new, all right, in online space to jump into. If you now want to learn how I promote my affiliate marketing, how I generate tons of lead for myself, this video here, right here, is going to show you how I use TikTok organic means to generate a lot of traffic for myself. I also share with you in the video how I write my landing page, how I created it, step-by-step process, how I generate lead, okay, to my WhatsApp, and then start nurturing them. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Drop it in the comment section. I want to know you one-on-one. By the time you write in the comment section and get to read it, I'm going to know more and connect with you. Okay, feel free to visit the video description. If you have not registered, use the link beneath this video to register, and I'm going to mentor you for free, grant you my sales, one of my courses I offer to people for free, organic medium, organic means, how to use it to generate a lead for yourself. You can also see it in this video description, which is Affiliate Marketing Commander Academy. All right, if you register through this affiliate link, I will grant you access to the course for absolutely for free, so you can start enjoying it and then make a whole lot of money for yourself. Okay, bye for now. Peter cares. Catch you up later.